Okay, right away we see it comes in this really nice carrying case. Rechargeable batteries inside here if you guys ever need to access that. Press and hold to turn it on. Here's the power button. As it says, do not remove or insert the ink when it's on. As you guys can see, they give you your cartridge in here to install, which we'll go through that then. You got your storage, add files and all that fun stuff. Device info, you can select all that stuff. Setup menu, font setup, low energy, time, factory reset, sound, ink setup. You can go through there. You got your print setup, handheld, left to right, all different things on here you guys can set. You got maintain, nozzle cleaning, print test, all that fun stuff, and print edit. So in here you can do different stuff, so you can add text, all the stuff, pictures. Now you'll need your pictures on there, on the cards, so connected to the computer and all that fun stuff as well. Go ahead and place your roller on like this, so that it allows you to smoothly roll over. You have your connecting cable as well, so everything that you need. I must say there's no lag or anything with this. This works really nice. Yeah, I like this so far. You can do stuff like drag and drop, which is nice. Let's add text. Yeah, this is really nice. Something that might confuse people when you enter something, so like this, tap it then. Tap what you spelled out and that adds it to the line. So like that. And then we can go and you can, resize, play around with stuff. This is cool. Installing the inkjet is really simple. Okay, we want to make sure that it's at the printer. Okay. Might seem a little hard to get in there, but it does pop in there with this facing up. So this is how it pops in, and it does go in there. Let me go ahead and turn it on. So just like that. Okay, so here we go. So let's see. Nice. Okay, so you press and hold. Okay, so we have to get used to this. So it looks like you kind of start. Nice. I'll show you guys up close more. So as you guys can see, works good. Print 8 times, back. Very nice unit, guys. This is going to work great for a lot of applications for us.